The days where you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror and say, oh my God, I look tired. You know what? A, you're probably tired. Don't worry, I have a solution. As a young makeup artist, I realized that sometimes using regular concealers was not enough. There were people with dark circles that were really tough to cover. Everyone has darkness under the eyes. We just have different kind of darkness, different severities of darkness, and different places of darkness under the eyes. The Neutralizer pencils are there to brighten, to make you look rested and not tired. Let me tell you what a Neutralizer pencil is. A Neutralizer pencil is a pencil that either has some pinky to it or some peachy to it. Sometimes it has both pink and peach, and what this does is brighten under the eyes. It's not meant to be worn alone. It's meant to be layered with your concealer pencil on top of it. So it blends into your face, and all of a sudden you look in the mirror, you're like, I don't look tired anymore. So just to talk about colors, when choosing a face pencil, you choose a face pencil that's the exact color of your skin. It should disappear when you try it on your forehead, on your cheek. I recommend one shade lighter face pencil for under your eyes as a concealer. However, the neutralizers are a separate category because they are not to be used on your face unless you have a stubborn brown spot, but they're for under your eyes. So pink or peachy tones really do the lift for you. Now I'd like to introduce you to the 9 shades. We have fair pink, fair peach, light peachy pink, light peach, medium peachy pink, dark apricot, dark peachy pink, and deep peachy pink. It cancels whatever darkness you have, and then you could put your regular concealer shade on top of it. And honestly, it's a game changer. Let me show you how you can use the new Neutralizer pencil to color correct, make yourself look brighter, less tired, and it's really easy to do. Step 1, the eye cream. Now when using eye cream, the trick is to only use this much. And when I say just use a touch, really that's all you need. And the Jones Road eye cream is really formulated to work well under the eyes, under your face pencils, under your neutralizer, because it absorbs really quickly and doesn't stay on the skin. The reason I start with the eye cream is so your pencils blend effortlessly. It's like a drink of water for your skin. Step 2, neutralizer pencil. So I'm starting with one that is a fair pink. The neutralizer pencil, especially in the fair pink, will neutralize and correct any kind of blue-purple under the eyes that many women have. And the way to apply it is under the eyes, close to the lashes, and even if you're not super dark under the eyes, it does help really brighten. Before you blend it in, you want to use enough of it so it really does cover and add brightness. See the difference in the 2 sides? And you take your finger and gently pat under the eyes. I'm using dark apricot on Morgan, and I'm starting under her eyes. And the trick is to look where you're dark. And if there's discoloration, you might see some black, some purple, some green. This will correct it. This will absolutely cancel out. This is something I do almost every single day, except when I'm on vacation. Then I just throw a pair of sunglasses on. And before you blend it in, you wanna put enough on that it's almost like when you're painting a wall and you wanna neutralize the color before you put a new coat of paint on. Then you take your finger and you gently pat into the skin. Make sure it's blended. Step 3, the under eye shade of your face pencil. And Morgan has, like many women, different tones in her skin. So I'm actually using 2 face pencils. The one I used under her eyes is the same color that I will use on her cheeks, and it's on top of the neutralizer. It's a little more yellow and golden to help blend into her skin tone. Again, you tap, tap, tap. But what this does when it's layered on top, just helps blend it into the skin. So when we're done, she just looks less tired and it doesn't look like concealer. And step 4, the skin tone face pencil. And the first thing I do is just even out any kind of spots. Get rid of redness around the nose. And then I'm gonna mix a little bit of the deeper tone, which works effortlessly on her forehead. Why I love the face pencils so much is because you could use it all over if you need it. You could spot cover it, and it works so well with What the Foundation for just those extra spots. Women make a mistake and they think for coverage, you have to add full coverage everywhere, and you don't, because you just don't look as natural as if you were just spot correcting. Face pencils work really great with What the Foundation. Whether you apply the face pencils first and then put What the Foundation, that works. But the way I like to do it is I apply What the Foundation first, and then I use the face pencils on top. And if you're someone with dry skin, this is a game changer, and the pencils work really well together. And if you're someone that doesn't have dry skin, you don't need to use a face moisturizer, but you will still need to use an eye cream for your pencils. The right amount of coverage, natural, quick, easy. Whether you wear a lot of makeup, whether you wear a teeny bit of makeup, it doesn't matter as long as you get your skin looking great.